The French AI company Mistral just added some new features to Le Chat AI. So now you can use this tool to edit images thanks to partnership with Black Forest Labs. So I would assume that it is gonna be using the Flux 1 model, which is known to be very good at creating and also editing images. So in this video, I'll show you how you can edit any images with prompting with the help of Le Chat AI. So first, you can navigate to chat.mistral.ai and then you can log in with your account. And here for this demonstration, I'll try to upload a picture, but you can actually generate a picture using the AI and then you can edit the picture using the same chat interface. Anyway, I'm going to click this button and I'm going to attach a file. So let me select this picture first. Click open. Now you can describe about a thing that you might want to add or modify or maybe remove from the picture. So here I'll tell Le Chat that I want to change the weather to snowy. There you go. And here don't forget to click tools and make sure to enable the image generation. It's very important to enable that, otherwise AI is unable to create a picture. Now when you're done, you can close this and send the message. Again, it is using the Flux 1 model. I believe supposedly it is Flux 1 model, so it is going to be a lot faster than some models and the quality would be decent. I'm not saying it's going to be good or the best, but should be enough for casual editing. There you go. So here's your edited images and there you go. So yeah, definitely now this woman is actually sitting in a snowy weather. That's pretty cool, right? Now to download a picture, you can click this download button and the picture will be downloaded to your device. Now let me try another example. I'm going to click new. And now let's upload another picture. So I have this black and white photo of a woman and I want to make this picture to be colorized. So please accurately colorize this picture. Again, make sure to enable the image generation and after that you can send the message. So yeah, maybe a few things that you didn't know about Mistral or Le Chat is that this AI tool is actually very good, very fast, and also it is very excellent when it comes to privacy. It is the least problematic AI company when it comes to privacy. Okay, now let's address this problem. I currently don't have tools to colorize images directly. So yeah, this thing could happen. I don't know why. I checked some other demos and some people say that yeah, they got this answer as well. So it could happen, but you could try it again, maybe with a different prompt. So let me try it again. And let's see if this attempt will actually yield to something that I'm expecting. So colorize this picture and I want to make sure that image generation is, oh sorry about that, it wasn't enabled, now it is enabled. Let's try it again and just wait and hopefully it is able to colorize this picture. And usually it will actually maintain the same aspect ratio. So if you're uploading a vertical picture, it will give you the vertical picture as well. If you're uploading a square picture, then the output will be a square picture. Okay, so here's your colorized picture. It is done in just about 9 seconds. So yeah, I would say it's pretty good. Maybe it's not the same anymore. I mean, from what I can tell, the face looked just a bit different, but maybe just 1% different. But everything else looked the same and very consistent. Now let's try another editing. I want to add something into the scene. So I'm going to click this and let's select this man. And please add some food to the table. Let's click tools, image generation enabled, and send the message. So hopefully I'm not hitting my limit because there is a limit on how many times you can edit images using Le Chat. And if you're hitting your limit, then you have to wait until tomorrow, or maybe you want to subscribe to the Pro subscription, which will only cost you like $15 per month if I'm not mistaken. So it's very cheap compared to other AI tools. So this is the result. It's definitely much better compared to this empty table. So yeah, that's how you can use Le Chat from Mistral to edit any pictures with just a simple prompt. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.